Welcome to First Coast Realty's Consumer Coaching.
Hello, this is Libby Johnson, broker associate at First Coast Realty in beautiful St. Augustine, Florida. And welcome to our consumer coaching video. Today we continue our 8-part series on property management with part 6, accounting for all funds and the use of GAAP. And here to explain those practices to you is our property manager and managing broker, Jean Johnson.
Part 6 of our 8-part series continues with the accounting for all funds and the use of GAAP, generally accepted accounting principles. Best practice of accountability to homeowners dictates the following. Professional property managers account for all funds to the homeowner on a monthly, quarterly, and yearly basis. All documentation of repairs and receipts should be accompanied by invoices. End-of-year statements should be provided to homeowners for tax purposes. And First Coast Realty provides best practices by using GAAP. Accountability to the homeowners should be provided monthly, quarterly, and yearly. Property managers should provide homeowners with consistent documentation of all funds. Monthly documentation should include invoices showing rent collections minus any repair expenses. Quarterly documentation should include any annuities or interest calculations, and yearly documentation of a recap of the year's return on investment should be provided for tax purposes. Monthly invoices. Very rarely does a month go by when home repairs and/or upkeep are not required. Any financial responsibility of the homeowner should be invoiced and documented before sending the final monthly income to the homeowner. Professional property managers should have a network of providers to offer property owners good, reliable, and affordable repair services. All invoice documentation should be detailed and include invoices for proof of service and payment. Quarterly invoices, HOAs, and annuities. HOAs. Some homeowners associations require quarterly dues. In the interest of best practices, a property manager should offer to pay these on behalf of property owners and invoice the deduction in a quarterly report. Annuities. Some rental properties are investments. Quarterly interest and filings are required. This also should be a service offered by professional property managers to handle for the property owner and documented in a quarterly invoice. Yearly invoices. Yearly invoices should be provided to property owners documenting the rental income activity for the year. These rent process statements and 1099s should be part of a customer service offered to the property owner. The use of GAAP, generally accepted accounting principles. Generally accepted accounting principles, GAAP, refers to the common set of accounting principles, standards, and procedures issued by the Financial Accounting Standards Board, otherwise known as FASB. First Coast Realty Property Management Division uses GAAP in all the financial services offered to their property owners. Professional property managers should always use best practices when accounting for all funds to a homeowner. These best practices come from knowledge, experience, and a commitment to due diligence, skills, quality work product, strategies, and overall work success.
Thank you for joining us for our consumer coaching video. Join us next week as we address part 7 of our 8-part series on property management, the importance of effective advertising and marketing techniques.